The Ammo motorcycle helmet cleaning range. The X-Clean, simply spray onto the helmet. Safe to use on any delicate plastics, any finishes, including matte. You can use on the outside of the helmet to clean bugs and road film off. You can use it on the inside of the helmet to clean the lining. Preferably using a wet microfiber, but can be used dry if you're on the go. Simply wipe. You see how easily it takes all the bugs, road grime, straight off the helmet. Absolutely no problem. To clean the inside of the helmet after spraying X-Clean, simply wipe with a damp cloth. It will remove all the grime and dirt and leave to dry. To polish a helmet and put protective layer on it, use X-Glide helmet polish. Safe to use again on any delicate plastics, on visors. Super easy to use. No buffing. Quick wipe. That's the helmet polished. Puts a protective layer on the visor to repel rain. Again, X-Glide. Simple to use on gloss helmets, matte helmets. Super quick. To sanitize and deodorize your helmet inside, simply use Ammo X Fresh. Neutralizes bacteria, kills 99.9%. Simply spray onto the lining of the helmet. Leave to dry. Leaves a super long lasting fresh fragrance to give you a mega clean helmet.